Hey guys, it's me, Risa. I'm just being spontaneous. I just worked out and I'm hungry. So I want something that's easy, quick, delicious for a brunch, lunch, dinner, side dish, and that is going to be some delicious breaded shrimp. How does that sound? I just figured I just didn't want to just have cold shrimp. I wanted something different, and that's what you need to do. You need to change it up. So before I start, don't forget, if you haven't already, subscribe, ring the bell option so you don't miss any of my new videos. So let's see what I have to do here. The first thing is I have a large skillet and I've just put it on a medium to high heat, and you can see I've already sprayed it with some olive oil spray. I have a 1/4 cup or so of egg whites. Now it depends. You can use more or less, whatever, depending on how many shrimp. I have about maybe 12 or 13 shrimp, nice large shrimp that I get at Costco or wherever and thaw it out, and then I like to pat it dry. And I have about a 1/4 cup of some panko crumbs, and we need to flavor everything up, right? Because I like lots of flavor. So in my egg whites, I'm going to add some pepper, maybe a 1/4 teaspoon. I'm going to add some onion powder. I like lots of flavor. So again, about a 1/4 or 1/2 teaspoon. And I like garlic plus seasoning. And if you want to use fresh garlic, you can. And I'm going to put in actually a little bit of everything bagel. Why not? Now I'm going to do that also to my panko crumbs. Just again, you can eyeball it like I do, or you can measure. Some people like to measure. I like a lot of onion powder, and I love this garlic plus seasoning. And if you want to use fresh or you want to use other herbs, remember, all my recipes are versatile. So all you're going to do is put your shrimp inside your egg white mixture. I'm going to move this out of the way, and then we are going to get this ready. Okay, so now I'm just going to put it in the panko crumbs. Okay, shake it off. And you want to hear that nice sizzle. I'm going to wipe my hands. And we're going to just continue to do this until we put all of them in the pan, whatever skillet you have. And these are going to be amazing. So my tip to you is make a nice big salad or whatever veggie, if you want it in your, like on top of a stir fry, would be delicious. And you know I have lots and lots of recipes. And if you feel like you need more panko crumbs, you can just add a little bit more to your plate. And then of course, put more seasoning. And I just like to dunk it in. Okay, and they're cooking up nicely on one side. I have it at a higher temperature now. And then we can flip them over. Yeah, we'll flip them over. I'll have to get my tongs ready. So again, depending if you're making it just for yourself, or you're making it for company, or you're making it as a snack, this would be a great snack, an hors d'oeuvre, right? And if you want, like I'm doing, I'm going to add it to my salad. And I'm almost done. I made a lot more shrimp than I thought. I wasn't counting. I just took a bunch. And they're nice, low in fat. So now they're cooking. And I'm just going to check, because they don't take long. You want to just get them crispy on the other side. Okay, so you want them to look more on a nice brownish color. And I wouldn't keep it on a high heat because they're going to cook very fast. So I've turned it down. And I'm so excited because they're going to be super delicious. Sorry, I'm doing this with one hand because, like I said, I was just being spontaneous. So I'm just going to turn them over with my hands because I'm the only one eating them anyways, because like I said, they get brown really quickly on one side. And I'm super excited to try these. Of course, you could use breadcrumbs too, but panko is really low. Let's just see. Always check the nutritional information. That's for a 1/2 cup, 110 calories, no saturated fat, 1 gram of fiber, and 2 grams of some sugars, and 4 grams of protein. So there you go. And they're almost ready. I'm so excited. I've also made my own homemade dressing, which I like to make. You can check my other salad recipes for my dressing. And I had some leftover chicken, so I added that to my salad. With the shrimp is going to be a nice high protein meal. So I'm so excited. Let's try one of these babies. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look at, oh my God. Crispy, delicious, fast, easy, versatile, because you know if you want to use other ingredients, other spices, other herbs, okay, would be amazing. And you know that I write all my ingredients and directions under each video. So look at how fast, 5 minutes. And I'm going to just add to my beautiful salad here. There's my salad. Put it in a nicer bowl. This one was just, I just had that because I make a lot. I make about a huge salad for about 2 to 3 days, and then I find the veggies get kind of soft. So 2 to 3 days, and then it's ready. It makes your life easy. Look at how beautiful. So I hope you enjoyed this really yummy recipe. I can't wait to hear from you guys. Tell me what you think. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to share my channel. I love you guys. Mwah. Bye for now.